Hi guys, it's me Evie. What I have for you guys today is omegas. This is a gyro. So, this video is dedicated to Tiffany. She's the one that wanted to see a gyro mukbang. Here we go. Oh wow. Of course they gave me ketchup. Spoon, fork, extra napkins. And then guys, tzatziki sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But here you go, guys. Fries and a gyro. To drink, of course, Coke Zero. And for dessert, guys, sorry, 2 chocolate chip cookies. I was gonna order the cherry pie with this, guys, and I totally forgot. I remember when I got home, and I'm not going back because it's not that close. Oh, my pickle, guys. But yes, Bella from Bella Vlogs, you need to try a gyro. It is so delicious. Girl, it is delicious. Let me show my mouth water, guys. Let me show you. Tomatoes, onions, meat. Guys, can't ask for more. Let me put my cookies right there. I need my napkins. Yeah, guys, this is so delicious. I love this. I usually get a gyro. Not always, sometimes, but that day, the sandwich that my husband ordered when we went over there to Omega's looked so good, and it sounded so good at the time. I didn't feel like having too much food, and it was a lot of food, guys, because, yeah, they didn't give me a... Oh, yeah, they did. I'm sorry. I'm just being ghetto. Who said Fab Ghetto? Was that Rosaura? Or Roxanne? Somebody called me that. But anyways, guys, you know what? Let me open the thing. Because you guys know me. I don't like a lot of dirty nails. Oh, they even gave me a spoon. Let me see these fries. They're going to eat salt. They're seasoned. Little napkin, don't need it. Guys, but do you see how beautiful this is? It is so good, guys. And I'm glad they gave me a second one of the sauce. Look at this, guys. Delicious. The sauce is like a yogurt sauce with cucumbers and garlic. I don't know how right I am, but that's what it tastes like to me. I think it's called tzatziki sauce. Gina, you're part Greek. Let me know if I'm saying that right. Oh, good. That Coke? No. Coke Zero. Just that little bit. Guys, what I do is I eat some of the meat first before grabbing the whole pita thing, because it's really big. Oh my god. But this is so delicious. Tiffany, I hope you enjoyed this video. Dedicated to you, Mama. I know that day that we went to Omega's, I should have gotten something Greek instead of a sandwich. Oh well. I'm eating it now, right? So good. My daughter Gabriela, she likes this. I can't eat a whole one. So when they bring out my plate, she eats the top part of the meat off. Because she can handle the whole one. Another thing, she's so hooked on that meatloaf. The meatloaf is good, guys. But I asked for my meatloaf with the, whoa, that's a lot of onion. Now let's spread the love around. What was I gonna say? Forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah, their meatloaf's really good, but for me, I asked for the gravy on the side. She likes it all smothered. I like to dip mine. I feel like it's too much. I like my meatloaf with mashed potatoes, because you can feel the little chunks. It's homemade mashed potatoes, you know. I like that. She doesn't like it, so she gets hers with fries. I think it's boring with fries, guys. I mean, I know, to each their own. But I asked for the gravy on the side because I like dipping my mashed potatoes. Guys, I'm going in for the other sauce. This sauce is so good. It's garlicky. It's just delicious. There's some places where they don't add the garlic. It's still good. I'm not knocking it. It's still good. But it needs that garlic flavor. Well, for me, it does. So, yes, guys, it's Tuesday. How was your Monday? You know how Monday is like the hardest day of the week to get over? I don't get it. Well, yeah, I guess. Coming out of 2-day break, yeah, I get it. It's different when you don't have to go every Monday to a job, you know? So for me, it's different than from other people. This is so good. I regret not getting this that day. There's something else that my subscriber Gina and friend and sister in Christ recommended or mentioned to me was I forgot the name of it, but it's like beef and rice wrapped in the grape leaves. I want to do that so bad. So that'll be another mukbang. Guys, like within a month and a half, I've lost 5 more pounds. I don't get it because I eat all this stuff and dessert. But at the same time, this will be my only meal. Everything else is just going to be veggie. I mean, not veggies. That's a lie. It's going to be fruit, water, maybe some tea. You know, little things like that. Nothing heavy. This will be my one and only meal. Guys, do you see this? Yeah. You're just dangling there. No. Guys, delicious. And it's heavy. Oh my God. A piece of heaven. I love it. I'm the kind of person that I like bread a lot. I love bread. So you know that was good for me. So good. Pickle, guys. Gonna get my mic. And I'm back, guys, with a mic. So let's see how good this sounds. So good and crispy. Delicious. Except for the noise of the styrofoam. When I touch it, I don't like that. Even the tomatoes have a little crunch. Sorry guys, I use my napkin a lot, but this is messy. I got so many sounds. Oh, that soda feels so good. That burn, just like Lady T says, you need that burn. I need that burn. Love it. So good. I hope it sounds on the video the way it sounds in my head. There's a lot of swishy sounds in there and crunch from the cucumber. No, pickle. Guys, I can't get it together. Look at my sleeves. Guess where I was? Oh, God. That's where I was, guys. At the gym. And now I'm doing this. The thing is, I lost 5 pounds. I was 183. I am 178. No one was more surprised than me. Let me go check out a scale at the gym because that one's always in sync with mine here. And yes, I checked. Same number. Then I finished working out, went to the bathroom, you know, did my number 1. And I got on the scale, guys. My 170. I did that 3 times because I could not believe it. I'm like, wow. But I have been going every day now. I do my hour of cardio. I do maybe half an hour of weight training. Get to see my son at the gym sometimes. Oh yeah. I'm at the gym with one of my subbies. She was a renter from me first because I own my home and she used to live downstairs. We became really good friends and told her about my channel. She subscribed right away. She loves my cooking. I've cooked for her parties. She likes when I make arroz con gandules. That's her thing. I wish so many people would live close by, guys. Do the gym. We eat together. Mukbangs together. That'd be really nice. I'm waiting for this girl called Eating Simply Her Way. She's planning on coming down to Milwaukee. See if we get together. Her hubby is the one that has family here. I don't even have to do this, but I have to separate it because my pita is breaking everywhere. It looks a hot mess, guys, but this is delicious. Make a mess myself, guys. That sound from that pickle is hardcore in my head, guys. I hope you guys hear it the same way. I don't know once I start editing this video. I'm getting full, guys. Guys, there are fries that I do like ketchup on, and there are those that I don't. We have a place here called Cousin Subs, sorry. Their fries I love with ketchup. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it with their ketchup. McDonald's fries I do not like with ketchup. They're just so good by themselves that, excuse me, I don't have to add anything to them. Wendy's fries. I like it with the dressing. Not the one that comes in that little container. I like the packet that they give you for salads. That's how I like my Wendy's fries. I don't like them with ketchup. I don't like them with anything else but the dressing. And it has to be ranch, of course. Onion, meat, tomato, sauce. Tomato? So good. I really don't know what to talk to you about. I really don't know what to talk to you about, guys, because I've been here for the last few days. Honestly, nothing new has happened. I was gonna go to church yesterday because I had tabernacle. Didn't go, guys. Gabby has the mother of all headaches. I don't know what's been going on with her, but for the last month and a half, like, she gets out of one and gets into another. You know what I mean? She's been getting sick a lot lately, and I don't know why. Well, her dad bought her a big old bag of oranges. You know, like for her immune system and stuff like that. Oh my God. And then I told her, Gabby, I'm going to go to church. She wasn't feeling like being by herself, you know, with her dad because he's sleeping. And then I said, okay, I'll stay. So I stayed. Like 10 minutes after service started, this one didn't have a headache anymore. I'm like, oh my God. Her headache was bad because right out of school, she said, Mommy, I feel terrible. And her headache was like right here. And not too long ago, she had that bad sinus infection, so. And we have pills in the house and stuff, but she won't drink them, take them, because guess who doesn't know how to swallow pills? Yes, her. And I tell her, Gabby, try. I'm gonna have to get her the ones that are in capsules so that, you know, slides down instead of those chalky ones. I don't know how to teach her. I told her our fridge makes ice, So I started to get the crushed ones and take the small pieces and try to swallow them. No. Simply doesn't know how to do it. It's hard. Even for her to swallow ice. I'm thinking they're small, they're melting as they're going down, girl. You know. Anybody has a trick? A way that I can show her, tell her how to take a pill? I'm clueless, guys. For me, it was never a problem. For any of my kids, it was ever a problem. Yeah, guys. Mm-hmm. I'm eating this like a taco. There's some meat in there. That's all I have left, guys. From my delicious cucumber. This cucumber was so good. So crunchy. Here it goes. Too bad that was the end of that. Too many onions. And soda before I choke on this, guys. I'm getting full. I'll be able to finish this, but I won't be able to finish the fries. But my mamas, my dogs, Daisy, Millie, yeah, they'll have a picnic with those fries. Ooh, that makes your eyes water. Excuse me. I like this red onion. I feel like it has a more milder taste than the white onion and the yellow onion. It's not as pungent. Oh my God, my belly's full, guys. And I'll make it so big. I poured that ketchup and I don't want to eat my fries with it, guys, because this is the brand that it is. And I don't change my brand. I like the Heinz ketchup. I don't like anything else. My fries taste better with the Heinz. So yeah. Excuse me. Oh my God. Yeah, there's a lot of, oh my God, there's even fries on the here, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Somebody told me, I think it was Carrie, that I like grind my teeth or, you know, scratch my fork with my teeth. I didn't know I did that, guys. Sorry. And I edit these videos and I never hear that. I guess I'm so used to it then. You know how I remember that? Because right now when I took that last bite, I did it with this fork and I just realized it. solitary. I took off my mic now. I will put it back on when I do the cookies. Can't tell how long this video has been. Oh, 25 minutes. Oh my god, this whole time. The light didn't bother nobody. Let me bring this down a little bit. I mean, what's the point now, right? But hope it's better, guys. Whew. Yes, guys. I have left this meat. You know what I noticed? Which is a good thing. I noticed that I don't eat like before. Before I could eat all of this, all of my fries, a dessert, and maybe a little later have something else. But now that I'm exercising and stuff and like being a little bit more active and putting more water into my diet, I don't eat the same. I can't even eat these fries, guys. And I'm extra full right now with this. You know what? I'm gonna leave a little piece of meat for each one of my dogs and the fries. Dessert. Which is only 2 cookies, guys. I forgot my pie. But look bad. That'll be for the next time, guys. Nasty napkin. I'm gonna put my cookies though. I have 2 cookies. I know I've done cookies before, guys, but I really wanted that pie. It was either this, the Nutty Bar, the Nutty Buddy, or excuse me, or a gansito, and I already did all of those. And pound cake, I already did that too. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. Chocolate chip cookie. Chips Ahoy. Those are the ones I like. Guys, I know. I may know about a lot of things, but yeah. The only chocolate chip cookies I like. The other ones are... And the chewy ones taste raw to me, so no. So delicious. Oh, yeah. It makes that cookie go down so smooth. Delicious. I like it that it's not so extra with the chocolate. The other ones, the ones that I think they're called different Chips Ahoy, but the chocolate chip with the chunks in it, I can't. I love chocolate, but that is too much chocolate. This is perfect. Wow. Delicious. I can hear my little grandson downstairs making noise. I should do mukbang with him, but you know what? He's too hyper. He's everywhere. He's a hot mess. It's done, guys. It is done. I am finished. So guys, thank you so much for hanging with me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this gyro mukbang. Some people call it gyro. I really don't know which is correct. Tiffany, I hope you especially liked it. It was dedicated to you, mamita. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.